Hey, how are you friends? Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this channel, I will tell you about how to create logo design for YouTube in Adobe Illustrator. So, welcome to my YouTube channel. Please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for more videos. Basically, we're creating logo design for YouTube channel using Adobe software such as Adobe Illustrator or Adobe Photoshop can be fun and creative process. So you can see the branding and upload. We can make logo design, make banner and make watermark for videos, and also we can write all description of our new channel. So this is my new channel, I tell you already. So we start in Adobe Illustrator. You can check my end page. So I need 1000 subscriber and 4K watch hour to complete the monetization category. Before we start the logo design, we have an idea and concept for your logo. Like consider a theme, message, and audience for YouTube channel, sketch, ref sketch, or idea. So this is my idea ZT. You can see the black, and I also paste the text Zito Tech. The my channel name is Zito Tech, and I change the font. I don't like this type of font. So basically we select the professional and bold font. You can see if you are interested in new fonts or italic fonts, check this font. First you can open Adobe Illustrator, launch Adobe Illustrator on computer. I already open the Adobe Illustrator, set up your document like Control N and create a new document by selecting file new and set the dimension of logo like YouTube size logo. Start designing, begin the sketching of out your logo using basic shape, line and tools. Use the pen tool to create custom shape and path if needed. Experiment with different fonts and typographic style for the text element. Use layer. Organize your design element into the layer and control, and you can also share the 7 angle and create new layer by selecting layer new layer from the menu. Experiment with gradient, shadow, and other effects to enhance your logo design. Use the appearance panel to apply the multiple effects to the single object. Continuously refine the design by adjusting the background, and you can change the color of Z. I can make it blue, and these layer I will also use blue color like these. You can use eye drop tool for the same color. Now check the logo, and I think I expand tech. The tech color is I also make it blue, so it's look very amazing. So if you new in my channel, please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. I also change the background color like I like the white background, and I also save the photo for the next uploading in my YouTube channel. You one thing, experiment with gradients and continuously refine the design by adjusting shapes and colors like layout until the satisfied with the result. Feedback from the other open to the making revisions based on the logo design. Export by the selecting file. Remember, Adobe Illustrator offer powerful tools and features for logo design, but mastering them and time and practice. Don't hesitate for the tutorial, and if you like my video, please subscribe my channel and share to your all friends. This is my first part of video, and please wait for second part. In second part I will tell you about next procedure.